Hola amigos! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very traditional Peruvian dish called Aji de Gallina. It's chicken in a creamy yellow chili sauce that's thickened with nuts, with bread, and it's served with rice, potatoes, eggs, and olives. It's a mild dish, not too spicy at all, and as soon as I eat it, it takes me back to Peru. So, let's begin. I cook my chicken, potatoes, egg, and rice all at the same time. Place 2 chicken breasts in a pot and cover with chicken stock. Bring to a boil, then reduce to low, cover the pot and poach for 20 minutes. Once cooked, reserve the stock. Let the chicken cool, then shred into bite-sized pieces. Place the potatoes in a pot with salted water. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pot with a lid, cook the potatoes until tender when pierced with a fork. In the last 6 minutes of cooking, add your eggs. Let the potatoes cool, peel them and cut into slices. My chicken breast is shredded, my potatoes, eggs and rice are done. Now let's work on our ají de gallina base. Start by soaking 5 slices of white bread with the crust removed in 385 milliliters of evaporated milk. We're gonna let that soak for a few minutes. Now we're gonna blend it with a hand mixer or with a blender. Blend until all of the bread is dissolved and set aside. In a pan on low heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and saute 1 small red onion that's been finely diced until soft and translucent, around 5 minutes. Add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and cook for another 2 minutes. Add half a cup of yellow chili paste and cook for around 3 minutes. Add the bread and milk mix and cook for a further 5 minutes until bubbling. Add 1 cup of stock in 2 batches. Add salt and pepper. Add the shredded chicken, a quarter of a cup of finely chopped pecans, and a quarter of a cup of parmesan cheese. Cook for a further 5 minutes. Our ají de gallina is ready to serve. Traditionally, it's served with rice, potatoes, and topped with some boiled eggs, olives, parsley, and a sprinkle of chopped pecans. I'm gonna stick to the traditional method today. So that's it, guys. I hope you get to make this very traditional recipe. And now, let's give this a try. Oh, this is such a gorgeous dish. It's so creamy. The yellow chili gives it a great, unique flavor. This is comfort food. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Adios, amigos!